Worship songs that you listen, worshipper and daughters. When I talk to their spiritual sons and daughters, they said he prayed for all. He read Bible and whenever Lord gave them new song, they wrote it and completed it at that time. But worshippers nowadays did not know these things. They just know their hairs to be straightened in the shooting. Whether spirit will be straight or not, your clothes and hairs only looks good when we are straight and nice in spirit. Whether I can be busy with you, how much Khambra church and Gurdaspur church is bigger, I can be busy, but you never see. The problem is when people see someone growing, they thought by copying, singing in this way or by doing something like that, then we will become. When we listen to songs, there is no anointing in their worship. It seems we are listening Bollywood songs. It doesn't feel that this. The songs you are listening are sung by those worshippers who did not have any baby. They spent the whole night in prayers, reading Bible and God. And you see all their songs are of different composition, for Lord directed them. I am talking about the price. Salvation is free, but what you want that Lord use you. Lord shall do those things for which you are called. It is not free, nor it is easy. And there are the people who don't even pray for an hour. Think if we unveil their cases. They will tell you such a terrible situation when you ask, since you are in so terrible problem. Your case is so big, but your prayer is only 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Jesus said, were you not able to wake up with me for an hour? Watch and pray lest you enter. 1 hour prayer is for those who don't want to enter into temptation. 2.5 hour prayer and reading Bible daily is for us according to our tithes. For don't you want your money tithes only? He who came for the first time, what do you think you shall give your money? He will not pleased with your money. Money is for those who has given their heart to the Lord, who know where do your money goes and why. Today people don't, I want to pay the price, but people want to go on vaccine, on vacation, and it is good to enjoy. How many of you who do full night prayer in week or once in a month? We are saying that we are the followers of Jesus Christ, but we don't have even a single thing like Jesus. We are saying that we are the followers. Before Jesus chose the disciples, what did he do? He prayed, isn't? Jesus prayed before doing healing, and he also prayed after doing healing. He prayed before choosing disciples. Before his every work, Jesus, a good Christian, will start and end with prayer of all his things of life ministry. Where were you, Peter and John, going? When they were going to pray, they saw a cripple on to the wayside. Were they going to make the cripples walk or for the prayer? Their priority was to pray, not because that a cripple shall walk, but because when you have relationship with God and you are not in sin, and then you pray because only that person don't pray, who know I have such a sin in my life. Not doing prayer is not a lack, but it is a sin. Adam and Eve stopped praying when they sinned against Lord. Lord came and asked him, "Where you are, Adam? I have done that what you forbid to do." Today church don't have dreams, nor do Lord speak with them through vision and dreams, and because of prayerlessness. He said, "Pray unto me and I'll listen to you, and I'll tell you the deep and difficult." In Luke 18, Lord said, "I'll tell you an example. There was a widow in place, and an ungodly and sinner judge, means a person in authority. That widow went to him daily, saying, 'Grant me justice.' Jesus said for a long time he was ignoring her, but one day he thinks that I will see the gets justice for my chosen one. Jesus said, "See what the ungodly person thinks about the widow now. Will I not listen to those who cry to me day and night?" Will I not listen to those who cry? Your God is not in genie who fulfill your wish. Your Lord is a true God who don't want to make his children lazy or fools who just make wishes. He said, "Ask and you will receive, seek and you shall find, knock and it will be opened for you." A church is not a name of a good